Today I have the latest about Tesla Giga Berlin and how many shifts it works to employ how many people. It looks like Tesla Giga Berlin has significantly increased the number of employees that work at Giga Berlin. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Again, there should be 12,000. There are already a little more than 4,000. The number of employees at the Tesla Giga Berlin is now growing. According to the Brandenburg state government, the US electric car manufacturer Tesla employs around a third of the targeted number of its first European factory in Grünheide near Berlin. A little over 4,000 employees now have been hired so far, said Economics Minister Jörg Steinbach on Wednesday in the state parliament's Economic Committee. This is good because when Tesla Giga Berlin opened in the around 24 of March, it then was employing about 3,000 employees. Now looks like they've got up to 4,000, the third of what it needs altogether. These employees in Giga Berlin come from 50 nations. Half of the employees live in Berlin, around 40% live in Brandenburg, and 10% abroad. Tesla plans that 12,000 employees will produce 500,000 cars a year in the first expansion phase of the Giga Berlin electric vehicle factory. The company had announced that ramping up production would take time. Now, how many shifts per day? According to the state government, the electric cars have so far been manufactured in one shift operation at Giga Berlin. The second shift is scheduled to start in the second quarter, said Steinbach. A third shift will then be planned depending on the production ramp-up. Applications are currently being processed for 145 training and dual study places. If all positions were filled, Tesla would be the largest training company in Brandenburg. The Giga Berlin plant was opened on March 22nd in the presence of Tesla boss Elon Musk and Chancellor Olaf Scholz of Germany. Critics fear negative consequences for the environment because part of the site is located in a water protection area. From Monday to May 20th, the responsible Brandenburg authorities will check whether the state requirements have been complied with during construction and operation. As I reported, there were 18 requirements. 16 of them were applied by Tesla, and 2 of them could only be checked if the company is in operation to see if employee safety and everything else is met. And right now, Tesla is in the going through midst of first inspection, as I reported a couple of days ago. Okay, so one shift, 4,000 workers at Giga Berlin, which is third of what it needs, 50 nations working at Giga Berlin, and around 40% live in Brandenburg, and the rest come from actually half of the employees live in Berlin, around 40% live in Brandenburg, and 10% come from abroad. I assume at least from Poland, because the Polish border is right next there. So friends, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about all these nations, all these actually developments that take place at Giga Berlin and the Tesla's pace of hiring employees? Do you think Tesla or things are going slow at Giga Berlin or a fair pace? What do you think? So this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Give us thumbs up if you find these short stories. I'm thinking to do only short stories. Let me know if these are interesting, and I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you. Peace be with all of you.